Let's continue with the first theme, which is still on attitudes and aim. In situations where others express ethnic stereotypes, students will respond by countering the stereotype in some way. There are two elements that we need to look at here. Number one, can the student identify what the stereotype is? Because unless the student is able to identify the stereotype, he will not be able to counter that stereotype. So let's assume that our students have been informed about what stereotypical behaviors are. They understand what they are. They can identify them. And now they've identified a stereotypical behavior and it needs to be corrected. And it needs to be corrected in a positive manner, not through fighting, but through negotiation. In some way, such as correcting misinformation or providing examples of individuals who do not fit the stereotype. So there are two ways in which the correction can be done. Either you identify people who don't fit the stereotype, so you have to be well informed in order to be able to do that. If you can't do that, what you need to do is to correct the misinformation that the speaker presented. The speaker may not have given the correct information. Something may be wrong, and you need to correct it for the good of the group and also for the good of the speaker involved. Students will be able to list the contributions of the different ethnic groups in the community or country to the society as a whole. So when you ask students to look around in their surroundings, begin from your home. What is it that your mother contributes to the family? What is it your father contributes? Your brother, your sister, your grandparents, and so on. And you spread out. Look at people in the community. There are prominent people in the community who everybody knows about, what they are doing, why they are doing, and then you try to work around stereotypes. You will look, when people, young people, begin to see these elements in their community and society, they will be able to say, yeah, this is the same, this is a stereotype, this is different, this is not a stereotype. And that's what we want young people to be able to do. Students will be able to give at least one reason why ethnic stereotypes can be harmful. Stereotyping, whether it's ethnic, whether it's gender, whether it's age, whether it's disability, stereotyping is not good. It will be harmful. That's a given. And so, can your student give one reason why it is harmful? Just stereotyping in general, and maybe then ethnic stereotyping, regional stereotyping, religious stereotyping, and so on and so forth. So giving students the opportunity to be able to openly talk about and give examples, share examples, enriches the students' learning about the particular concept.